Welcome. In this video, we're going to walk through the simple steps to show your connections' profile photos on the LinkedIn app for PC. With the latest update, LinkedIn has made it easier to customize who can see profile images, but the settings may be a bit hidden if you haven't explored them yet. Let's get started step by step so you can turn this feature on quickly. First, open the LinkedIn app on your PC. Once the app is open, look to the very top right corner of the screen. You'll see the Me icon, which is where your own profile photo normally appears. Give that a click to open up your personal menu. From here, scroll down and select Settings and Privacy. This is where LinkedIn keeps all the options you need to manage your account, privacy, and display preferences. Once you're inside, make sure you're on the Account Preferences tab. Now, under the General Preferences section, you'll notice an option called Showing Profile Photos. This is the setting that controls who can see profile pictures across LinkedIn. Click on that to open up the available choices. LinkedIn will now show you different display options. To make sure you can see your connections' profile photos, select your connections. This option ensures that you'll always see the pictures of people you're connected with, helping you recognize them more easily while browsing, networking, or even messaging inside the platform. That's it. You've now updated your settings so that your connections' profile photos are visible in the LinkedIn app on your PC. This simple tweak can make your LinkedIn experience more personal, since profile photos often help you put a face to a name. If you find yourself networking regularly or trying to keep track of new professional connections, having their pictures available can make a big difference in remembering who's who. It's a small change, but it goes a long way in keeping LinkedIn more engaging and easier to navigate. Thanks for watching.